Okay, so to create a mockup in Canva is really easy as well. The only way that you need to kind of do this is searching through the apps menu on Canva and searching for mockups. So this is the best way and the way that I do it if I need to create a mockup for something. So say for example I've got a design and I want to showcase that in different ways for social media, then this is the best way. So um, the way that I usually do this is if I go to apps and just type in mockups or mockup, the app that you should find is called Mockup. So you'll see this icon here. So when you click on it, Mockups will actually bring up a pretty big menu of mockups that you can actually literally just drag and drop your image or your logo, what have you, and it'll basically represent that on the mockup that you see here. The only thing that you're limited by is what this app kind of gives you to show your work on. Say for example, you've got, like a wedding invite. You've really don't have too many options to kind of showcase it. If you go print, this is probably the best way to kind of showcase this. It does have different options to kind of pick from, and I've personally used this one here myself for an invite, which I'll show you in a second. But yeah, it just kind of depends what you're after. I'm sure there's plenty to sort of look through here. I'm not sure if this is on the Canva free account, but just yeah, have a browse. Just have a look for what you're after. So say for example I've got like a logo that I want to show on a coffee mug, but this one's a bit boring. I want to choose something else. Maybe not a mug, maybe I can choose something else. Say for example, yeah, maybe we'll do this mug here, I guess. So all you need to do is just click on the object and then it will tell you to drag and drop your image on the mockup. The best way to do it is through the uploads tab. So if you've got a logo, make sure it's all in your uploads or it's in your branding kit, and then you can basically drag and drop it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make this the background. That shortcut doesn't work for mockups for some reason, but we're just going to center this. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then what I'll do is I'll go to uploads or brand. I'll go to brand and I'll actually put the transparent version of the Birdzilla logo up on the mug. All you literally do is drag. Don't worry if you don't see anything, it's just going to do its thing. It should load. And then there you have it. And it'll be nice and rounded as well to sort of fit that aesthetic. I think if you want to use a different one, you can literally drag and drop like a new artwork and just basically change it. How awesome is that? It's so simple, very cool. It's a very strong feature. I think Canva's underrated app in their library. I think also there is a packaging tab. Yes, so if you do have packaging and you want to make something a bit more trendy, like Canva sort of can do so. I think packaging is pretty much up there in the realm of, you know, good design language. You can definitely pick and choose any of these if you've got a product, for example. This may be skincare, something like that. Just got to make sure that, you know, the artwork sort of fits the bounds of your canvas. So for example, you want it like that. Again, you can use your uploads window or the brand. I've just got my logo and my brand, so I'm just going to use the Birdzilla logo here again. And then you just drag and drop and let it do its thing. The only thing is that if you double click into the design and you want this to fit, you are limited to, you know, the size of your logo. So just make sure everything that you have sort of fits the constraints of what you're designing for. But it's pretty exciting yet to actually you know, kind of edit objects this way. So you've got your fill, your fit. You can flip the object as well. You can see the changes are reflected here. Really simple, really powerful tool. Awesome. Alright. So yeah, if you've got any questions, just let me know. Yeah, it's a really good tool. If you need help with the project, leave a comment and I'll leave a link to get in touch with me. Thanks.